Welcome, 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 and happy Monday. Hello, and happy Monday. Today, let's talk about the gift of a new day. And in this video, I will offer some thoughts on how to use your daily gift. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. Welcome to our Motivating Monday Messages. The purpose of our Motivating Monday Messages is to give you some encouragement and inspiration and motivation for the week ahead. Just a little food for thought. If you are new to our channel, please click the word subscribe to become a part of our community. You can also click the bell to be notified when we go live and when we post our videos. Also, feel free to look over our videos. You may find some useful and valuable information for motivation and encouragement, as well as information relevant to the medical coding community. Whether you are joining live or listening to the replay, comment on our videos. Let me know you were here. I would love to know your thoughts. Also, give us a thumbs up or heart if you like the video and share. Don't forget to like our Professional Reimbursement Network's Facebook page as well. Before I get started, as always, I would like to thank you for your comments on our last Motivating Monday Messages video, The Perception of Obstacles. As always, there were great comments. 50-something original said, obstacles are opportunities. I truly believe that. Thank you. And Miss Elizabeth with Wild Woman Enchanted, yep, all they can do is tell you no. That is such a big one, isn't it? I mean, really, all they can say is no. Laugh out loud. I'm always thankful for the obstacles, but I sure do know they are perfect and not really an obstacle. I know you know what I mean, and I certainly do. Thank you all. And again, thank you for watching and commenting on our videos. So today is a new day. Every single day is a new day. It is a gift. It is a day that we have never seen before and a day we will never see again. It is a new day filled with possibilities and opportunities. You can even look at it as a day to undo mistakes or wrongs of the previous day. I believe, and I'm sure you've heard this saying, when you know better, you do better. And if you take the extra step and pay it forward and apply it to your daily gift, wow, how amazing our new day could be. Consider the 24 hours you are given. Do you want to be more productive? Maybe even a little more productive than the day before. Well, remember, there's a time for everything under the sun. There's a time to work and a time to play. And in this case, a time to rest. So take some time to rest. I mean, really rest. Resting allows you to recharge and focus, which will increase your productivity. In my research on time management systems, it seems we have been doing things all wrong. It seems, we believe if we go all in for several hours at a time and crank out our work, that we are most productive. Well, studies show that is not the case, as we need to take breaks. If we are sitting and working for long periods of time, we are actually causing our bodies to become fatigued. One study suggests that the most productive people work for 52 minutes at a time. and then break for 17 minutes. Now, I don't know where they got the time increments from, but that's what they have stated. And folks are raving about this method. I'm still researching, so I can't say one way or the other, but I will try this method out in my classroom. So my students, beware. Also, I do believe rest is important and it's helpful for focusing on your task. If you are productive, you are getting things done. You are ticking off that daily to-do list. And hopefully you have both professional and personal things on your daily to-do list. As you are seizing the new day and pushing forward, what are you leaving behind? It is my prayer that at a minimum, you are leaving positivity and kindness behind. On a grand scale, you may even be leaving a legacy. Now that is something to think about. So question for you, how do you use your daily gift? Let me know and share your thoughts in the comments below. So now let's look at some quotes. A new day. Be open enough to see opportunities. Be wise enough to be grateful. And be courageous enough to be happy. That was by Dr. Steve Moraboli. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath and start again. Rise up. Start fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every new day is another chance to change something in your life. Every new day is a chance to feel blessed for what you have. The past doesn't really exist except in your mind. Every day is another chance. Don't ruin a good day or don't ruin a good today by thinking about a bad yesterday. Let it go. Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every day is a fresh start. Each day is a new beginning. Every morning we wake up is the first day of our new life. I think this is my favorite because I actually have this posted in my house. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts, and Eleanor Roosevelt said that. This is pertinent for Monday, but actually for any day. New start, new beginning, new perspective. Make today count. Today's a new day. It's your day. You shape it. Don't let it be shaped by someone else's ignorance or fear. And that's another one by Dr. Steve Maraboli. And then the last quote, it's a new day, fresh start, fresh energy, new opportunities. Get your mind right. Be thankful, be positive, and start your day right. So check out the links in the description box below. We have information on our free 5 steps to become a certified marketable medical coder email course, our certified marketable medical coder and friend Facebook group, and more information about our videos. I pray this information was valuable and helpful for you. And if so, comment, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Let's stay connected. Join us next Monday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we will have another live motivating Monday message. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, reminding you to be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Make it a great day and take care.